Hi everyone, welcome to Smart Tech, and this is a comparison between Redmi Y2, Mi-A2 and Redmi Note 5 Pro. So, let's find out. The Redmi Y2, Mi-A2 and Redmi Note 5 Pro are available in two variants with different price tags. Xiaomi Redmi Y2 comes with 3GB of RAM and 32GB of storage variant priced at 9,999 rupees. And 4GB RAM and 64GB ROM variant priced at 12,999 rupees, whereas Mi-A2 comes with 4GB RAM and 64GB ROM variant priced at 14,999 rupees, and 6GB RAM 128GB ROM variant priced at 17,999 rupees. And the top-selling 2018 smartphone Redmi Note 5 Pro comes with 4GB RAM 64GB ROM variant priced at 14,999 rupees, and 6GB RAM 128GB ROM variant priced at 16,999 rupees. Now coming on the design and build quality. On Mi-A2 and Redmi Note 5 Pro has curved metal body design, whereas Redmi Y2 has curved plastic body design, make it easy to hold and measures a weight of 170 gram. Redmi Y2 and Redmi Note 5 Pro has a thickness of 8.1mm and an Mi-A2 has a slimmer 7.3mm thickness. The Mi-A2 measures a weight of 168 gram, whereas Redmi Note 5 Pro measures a higher 181 grams. These three smartphones has a 5.99-inch 18:9 aspect ratio IPS LCD display panels. But in resolution, the Mi-A2 and Redmi Note 5 Pro has Full HD Plus display and 403 pixel per inch, whereas Redmi Y2 has HD Plus display and 269 pixel per inch. Since these three smartphone has 18:9 aspect ratio display, the Redmi Y2 has 74.5% screen to body ratio, whereas Redmi Note 5 Pro and Mi-A2 has slightly more of 77.4% screen to body ratio. So Mi-A2 and Redmi Note 5 Pro take control of display department irrespective to the price of smartphone. The viewing experience on these three smartphones, especially the Mi-A2 and Redmi Note 5 Pro, performs better, utilizing the Full HD Plus display, and the display is crisp and clear. The capacitive buttons are no longer available in Xiaomi Redmi Y2 and Redmi Note 5 Pro. It is replaced with on-screen navigation buttons to make use of software features. Now coming to the camera department. All these smartphone has dual camera on back, which is designed similarly. Rear camera on Redmi Y2 and Redmi Note 5 Pro has 12MP f2.2 aperture plus 5MP f2.0 aperture, which can shoot 1080p 30 frames videos with electronic image stabilization support. But the rear camera on Mi-A2 has 12MP f1.8 aperture plus 20MP f1.8 aperture, and it can shoot 4K 30fps videos, which is an advantage on Mi-A2. Camera interface is almost same on three phones. The portrait mode on Mi-A2 is slightly better as it is more accurate than other two phones. There is a dual LED flash in between rear cameras on Redmi Note 5 Pro, whereas the Redmi Y2 and Mi-A2 has single LED flash between the rear cameras. There is 20MP selfie camera on Redmi Note 5 Pro that has f2.2 aperture and is capable to record 1080p videos, whereas in Mi-A2 has 20MP f1.8 aperture front camera capable to record 1080p videos as well. But Redmi Y2 comes with 16MP selfie camera, which is a great deal in this price range. All these three phones has portrait mode effect in selfie camera and also a LED flash. So in my suggestion, Mi 2 performs slightly more in camera department due to the capability to record 4K 30 FPS videos and level of detail in picture are slightly more. Now moving to the software, since the three are Xiaomi phones, there is MIUI skin on top of the OS. Redmi Y2 and Mi 2 out of the box comes with Android 8.1 Oreo with MIUI 9.5 skin on top. Whereas the Redmi Note 5 Pro still runs on Android 7.1 Nougat. Post updated by Xiaomi, Redmi Note 5 Pro receive MIUI 9.5 user interface update. All these three smartphones should be eligible to receive MIUI 10, which was launched recently. Xiaomi confirmed that the Redmi Note 5 Pro should receive Android Oreo update as soon as. Overall, the performance on these phones should function smoothly as the three phones has better performing octa-core chipsets. The chipset present in Mi 2 has Snapdragon 662.2 GHz octa-core chip, which delivers better performance than the Redmi Note 5 Pro with Snapdragon 636 1.8 GHz octa-core chip and Redmi Y2 with 625 2.0 GHz octa-core chip. This is with the pricing factor comes to hold. Here are the AnTuTu benchmark test scores. The Redmi Y2 managed to score 76,808, whereas the Redmi Note 5 Pro scores 1,13,060. And the Mi 2 superior chipset scores 1,34,132. The Redmi, which is high performance than other two, so Mi 2 takes complete control in processor and performance department. The fingerprint scanner placed on rear side of the phones and the placement of these phones are same. The fingerprint sensor on these three devices work instantly as soon as you tap it. And also these phones support face unlock feature, which uses the front camera, and face unlock feature works super fast due to the high megapixel camera on these three devices. The battery is the fundamental aspect for users to buy. Let's talk about the battery in these three devices. Xiaomi just managed to put 3080 mAh battery in Redmi Y2. The Redmi Y2 might long last for a day in moderate usage as the display is just HD+, not Full HD+. Other device Mi 2 has 3010 mAh battery, which will long last for 18 hours in moderate usage due to the Full HD+ display. It is a disadvantage for Mi 2. Whereas Redmi Note 5 Pro has 4000 mAh battery, which would long last from 24 to 36 hours on moderate usage. The clear winner in battery department is the Redmi Note 5 Pro. Except this, the overall winner is Mi 2 and Redmi Note 5 Pro comes in second place. Whereas Redmi Y2 comes last, but at 9,999 rupees price tag, Redmi Y2 is an affordable smartphone.